Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. On the Bonk chart, we are still tracking a potential upside impulse from the fourth wave low here that formed on the 13th of April. Problem is, and that is what I see on many other altcoin charts as well, that price action from recent lows is not impulsive to the upside. So while this move up looked really like a 5-wave move into the May high, where the price topped locally at 442,620, and the move down was a higher low into the support zone. I don't really see any impulsive continuation yet. There have been some reactions to the support zone, but not yet the rally in a third wave that I really want to see. The third wave, by the way, should get to 122.0968. We're talking about roughly another 440% from today's price, but it needs to break out, obviously, and break above initial resistance first. This hasn't happened yet. There have been various reactions to the communicated upper support area, which you can see here on the chart. Let me shift that to the right. This is still relevant, this support area. It's defined between 161,464 and 233,681. This is still relevant, so we can always test it, try again, test it, try again. Happens all the time with these altcoins. They are so volatile. It takes multiple attempts to form a rally. It very rarely happens that they, react and go straight away. But so we always have to expect multiple, let's say, attempts, and sometimes they fail. And a failure of breaking out to the upside in a third wave, I would assume a failure if we get a break below 161,464. So that means this wave 2 might still be in the making. Yeah, this is possible. However, what we're dealing with here is a mess. I mean, there are multiple possible interpretations here, and It is possible that a larger fourth wave is unfolding, for example, right? So the problem is that from this 24th of June low, price action to the upside hasn't been impulsive. Okay, we made a new low, or at least a double bottom here on the 5th of July. Price action to the upside hasn't been impulsive. No, in fact, we have actually been rejected in the resistance area I communicated. And you can see, I mean, everybody can see this is just a 3-wave move up, okay? Got rejected in resistance exactly because of that. I've got the resistance levels on the chart. I mean, we bounced from support, rallied into resistance, back into support. That's what we want, if we're trading ranges. Ideally, we want a direct breakout, as trend traders, but it doesn't often happen like that they take the big move straight away. So it rather seems like a bit of sideways consolidation. The problem is with that 3-wave correction, it's absolutely possible that with this 3-wave top, it's possible the C-wave down is unfolding now, and we might get back into the lower main support area again. This is defined between 133,149 and 45383. But I still give the another breakout attempt a chance. There are multiple opportunities here. For example, even if it's just a larger B-wave, that's possible. Okay, for example, what could happen is a larger, ABC in wave A. Then we now form a B wave pullback. And we should hold that, the 198,020 level for that. Okay, 198,020. And then from here, we could rally in a C wave. Then we have 3 waves up and can still fail. So you see, this is just a lot of choppy mess. I would say to keep it simple, you can pay attention to that newly added micro support area between 198,020 and 223,330, whatever. That's the micro support area. If we break below it, it increases the odds further that we are in a stronger C wave down. Either way, reaction to resistance indicates we could move down. Short-term trend is down now. We have to now wait for the first reaction to a support zone, and just, have to be patient. And it is an absolute messy short-term chart here at the moment, unfortunately. So we're just waiting for the next 5-wave move up, I'd say. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.